Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord stream failed to start. Now, a simple one, guys. You'll come over here to user settings. Then on user settings, go ahead and locate where the advanced tab or the appearances are. So for that case, I'll come over here and scroll down. And then I'll come over here into account info. So in the account info, go ahead and scroll down and then first look for appearance, which is over here. So after that, go ahead and scroll down and then look for advanced. Now, once you click on advanced, make sure that you turn off this enable hardware acceleration. Go ahead and turn it off, okay? Then after turning it off, come back to user settings. Then in user settings, once again, go ahead and locate voice and video, okay? Voice and video, here it is. Then go ahead and locate the streaming and then make sure that this one is turned on, which is show stream preview. Turn it on and then turn on the default sound from the stream preview. Okay, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet once again.